Okay, ladies and gentlemen, masibulise ke emva kwemini igama ke nguSimpio from kwaSimpio Molefe Properties. Namhlanje ke sise coverage. Nansi plot esinayo apha behind us. Na as ungena nje apha around, there's a lot of development ezikhona. Ababonisa nje just to see around. There's a lot of development ekhona. Nansi indlu phaa, there's a lot of developments. But that is not the main purpose here alone. But I want you to see also just right behind me. Sine plot esinayo in London. So khumbula kumhlaba, it's very important. If you're developing a property, it is the best investment. Investment engadepreciate, it always appreciate in London. So it's very important. Umhlaba yona nto ibalulekileyo. Just look right behind me. Forget about our service here. We are trying to clean up so that ibonakale na yonke le yard le yabona. So as you can see, nansi yathi yakho pha. So if you go to na andifuna ukuthenga ndlu and ndifuna ukuzakhela London. Nansi plot apha singababonisa nakwela cala babone. So it's important to invest in the land, emhlabeni. It's important to invest in emhlabeni. Buy a piece of land, yeah. So as I indicated earlier, the cities, South Sevens are so that you wanna go. So you'll never go wrong. Just there's a lot of development as we call a lot of development. So in a few years to come, hence I'm saying this is the best opportunity for you to invest. It's up to you. But as in Chile, there's a lot of development. You'll never go wrong. Property will never go wrong. So it's in the right, very quiet area, plan to retire, reach very soon. Uzaf money package yakho, yonke land, nansi investment yakulaka, kudala sinizama, residential property, kudala sinizama, nansi, look around it. So hlala apho uthenga umhlaba, hlala apha nefamily yakho nabantwana bakho, you are divorcee, or you want to starting a family, so hlala apha, which is very, very good. Start to boom up, umuntu mhlawumbe odiniweyo odiniwe atmosphere sedolopini busy and what not, you want to relax, nansi indawo so you never go wrong, nansi very big land plot. So if unomdla, you want to come for viewing, please feel free to call us 043 721 0351. Alternative is phone 073 27 12 589. Igama ke nguSimpio from kwaSimpio Molefe Properties. Siyantana kakhulu. To follow us on all our social media platforms. TikTok sikhona, Instagram sikhona, Facebook sikhona, YouTube sikhona, Property 24 sikhona London. And ningalibali ke, we are registered with the PPRA. Yeah, asingomavuka ingceni London. So do follow us, do like, share and comment. Siyantana kakhulu. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of the day. See you. Thank you.